Come on, Anna, let's do it. Fine, I'll do it.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with your mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Do do do. I'm not taking pictures, Anna. I'm just looking at you.
Water just turned green.
Wow, it's raining pretty good out there.
Can I ride my scooter?
I don't care. What is it?
A flower.
What is it?
A flower. Let's show it to Mandy. A flower.
It's a flower?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, that fell off my wind chime. It broke. See, it fell off my wind chime up there. It fell off my fairy wind chime. Now it won't go ding-dong anymore. I have to tie another little weight on the bottom. That's okay, you can have it.
What is it?
Meg scooter in the rain. I don't know, do you have a scooter? Wow, it is. Why don't you go play with Maggie? You can't get wet, you got your raincoat on. You want to say hi to Mommy? Wave at Mommy and say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Alright, that's the end of this movie. Wow, it really is some fierce rain out there.